Hello world, welcome to UK's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce grilled mackerel, pickles, simmered dish, Nameko soup. Let's start cooking. Make a simmered dish using this soup base. Soak the shiitake mushroom in water. Add vinegar to the water. Cut the butter root and put in the vinegar water. Cut carrots and daikon radish. Score the daikon radish. Add 300 ml of shiitake mushroom juice. Add 50 ml of soup base. Put the ingredients. Put the chicken. Finally, add boiled green beans.
It's done! 完成!
Make pickles using the pickles sauce. Cut the Okinawan shallot. Sprinkle salt and cucumber and massage. Add the pickled sauce. Add the carrot too.
It's done! 完成!
Make a grilled mackerel.
Grill mackerel for 5 minutes. Japanese style have a small grill for cooking fish. Make grated daikon radish. It's done! 完成!
Make a Nameko mushroom soup. Put dried bonito in hot water.
Take out the dried bonito. Add tofu and Nameko mushrooms. Add miso. It's done! 完成! いただきます。How was today's video? I'm glad to if you enjoy it. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking, and I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。